Today I'm taking a look at the 4-shutter door shoe cabinet. So we got some decently thick pieces of wood in there. And I do appreciate how everything is protected by every single layer. So very nice looking shutter doors. You can just see through those slats, but that is not really going to be visible after we install it. So that is the door mechanism. That is going to be what allows it to swing up and down. So here is our instructions, and we do got plenty of pictures there to help us assemble it. So it says the first thing we need are parts 2 and 3, and those boards are labeled. Here is 2 and here is 3. So that is a pretty nice looking shoe cabinet. Plenty of room in there. They do have these dividers, and those can fit in these little slots right here. There are 3 different positions, so you can put this up higher or lower if you want. So that way if you have a bunch of flat shoes, you'll be able to fit twice as many shoes per shelf. Or we can take it out. We got gigantic shoes. We can use it just like that. There are holes right here, so if you want to, you could screw this in to make it permanent, or you could have it so you can just pull it out or put it back in as needed. And I got some of my girlfriend's shoes, and that will fit in there no problem. So we're looking at a total depth of about 12 and just under ½ inches, 12 and 7/16. And for the height of the shoe, you're looking at about 8½ inches. If we have this board in the center, we're looking at about 4 inches for the top and about 3¼ inches to the top there. And we've got a width of about 19 inches, and all the drawers are the same size. For the total height, we're looking at about 34 and 9/16, or a total width of about 41 and 3/8. Internal width is about 40 and 1/8. Total depth, we're looking at about 9½ and internal depth, we're looking at about 8 and 7/8. So overall, that is a very nice shoe cabinet.